Welcome everybody to my channel. This is the most important application of very only for competitive exam, IIT and West Bengal JEE and HS and others. Okay. See the rules here. Have a integration. If we derivative this, upper limit is this and the lower limit is this here. Upper limit is this and lower limit is there. And function is capital F of x. So rules here. This is f of x. Put on the function of x here, and again ddx of f of x minus same as this is the lower limit of phi of x. Put on the f of x here and ddx of phi of x. This is the rules. Some integral, the integral not to be integrated easily. So sometimes we have to use their differentiation by these rules. Okay. And see, for question number 1, f of x is here 0 to x. This is the function integrand, and if given that f dash x is equal to 10, then find the x. Okay. Now see solution 1. Sorry. F of x is equal to 0 to x and root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x, root 3 minus root 2 whole to the power x dx. We differentiate as given that this is the f dash x. So differentiate both sides, that is ddx of 0 to x, and this is root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x, and this is root 3 minus root 2 whole to the power x and dx, and that is equal to, this is the upper limit, replace in place of x here, that is root 3 root 2 to the power x, root 3 minus root 2 to the power x, okay, and this is ddx of x here, and then minus we apply the lower limit here, that is root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x, root 3 minus root 2 whole to the power x, sorry, this is 0 here, we have to put the value of 0, this is the value of 0, we have to put always the replace the variable, that is x, so this is 0, and again ddx of 0 here, so this is whole thing is 0 here, and we got the derivative here, that is root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x and root 3 minus root 2 whole to the power x, okay, and given that this is equal to 10, so you can write here 10, okay. This is the amazing formulation using the search with the base of, okay, this is whole to the power x, we rationalize this, then we got root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x, that is equal to 10, let root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x is equal to a, so a plus 1 by a is equal to 10, a square minus 10a plus 1 equal to 0, apply the Siddhartha here, that is 10 plus minus root over b square, this is 100, b square minus 4ac, okay, by twice a, that is equal to 100, no, this is 10, this is 10, and plus minus, taking common 4, so this is given from root over that, and 4 25 is 100, 25 minus 1, that is 24 here, okay, by 2. So simplify that, 5 plus minus 4 6 is 24, 4, this is 2 into root 3 and root 5. So clearly can be written in the form of root 3 plus minus root 2 whole to the power x here. Sorry, this is 2 here. Okay, this is 3, this is 2. Square of root 3, this is 3, and square of root 3, root 2 is 2 here. So their addition will be 5. So you have to express root 3 plus minus root 2 whole square. So now a means we have taken that. So that is root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x is equal to this. Okay, plus whole to the power x. That means x is equal to 2. When root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power x is equal to root 3 minus root 2 here. So that is can be rationalized like that, root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Sorry, this is here. Root 3 plus root 2, okay? This is to the power 2. So you can write here, this is 1, a plus b, a minus b. And now root 3 plus root 2 whole square. So root 3 plus root 2 whole to the power minus 2. So you can write x equal to minus 2. Solution, x equal to plus minus 2 here, okay? This is your answer. Very important question. So again, see question number 2. This is also a very important point. Now, say find the value of x here for question number 2. Same as we apply the rules. See, it is given that dy by dx here. So not needed to integrate. So apply the rules. Now let y equal to 0 to x alpha minus 3 and alpha minus 1 whole cube and d alpha. Differentiate dy dx, and that is equal to, we put x in place of alpha, that is x minus 3, x minus 1 whole cube, and that is ddx of x here, that is 1. Again put the lower limit, that is 0 minus 3 and 0 minus 1 whole cube, and ddx of lower limit, that is 0 here. So given that x minus 3 and x minus 1 whole cube, and that is equal to, given that dy by dx is 0. Okay, so yeah, apply the rules. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, this is the answer. Next question number 3, same as can I use the formula which we have written here? Use this formula, please. Okay, let's see here. Very interesting question. This is the last one for this video. And now see here, given that 0 to z e to the power t dt and 0 to x tan root over t square a square dt equal to 0. You have to show this, okay? Differentiate. Okay, differentiate both sides. Then ddx of 0 to z and e to the power t and dt, same as ddx of 0 to x tan root over t square plus a square dt here, okay, and 0. So now see here, put the upper limit, that is sin z, and differentiate z with respect to x, that is written by that, and also lower limit here is e to the power sin 0 and again ddx of 0, same as this tan root over of x square plus a square and ddx of x here, and then minus that is tan root over 0 plus a square and ddx of 0 here, and this is given 0. Okay, so this is your answer. We can easily write that it is equal z dz dx, this is 0 here, and plus tan root over x square plus a square. Okay, this is the very important operation. Okay, bye.